Hey guys, I haven't made a video in a little while. We've been pretty busy the last couple months. I am out here in our new place with my pupper. You're probably hearing off camera. We recently moved to a new place, still here in Northwest Arkansas, but we moved to a new duplex that's got a backyard and a couple flower beds up in the front that we're going to be able to play with here on the channel. We'll show you some of the progress. Of course, right now we're about to get into the colder months of the year. It's going to be a lot colder, so I don't know how much progress is going to be done immediately, but we're going to try to get a couple garden boxes out here. Currently doing some research on what types I want to get, but I know for sure I want one outside our bedroom window with some, some flowers like zinnias and other stuff like that. And then I also want to try to do a couple for gardenings, garden stuff, like lettuce, herbs and stuff like that. The only bad part is our backyard's on the north side. It's a little shady, but it loops around the side that gets a decent amount of light from the west side of the house. So I don't think it'll be too bad there. It'll be kind of probably a part sun, part shade, and then more full shade in the back. So I got to figure out what I can do for flowers that can have a little shade on them. That's the tough part because our bedroom window is on the north side, so I got to think of some ideas for that. So we may do some videos where we talk about design ideas, especially it's a good time to do that in the cool season. And I'm hoping to find some good cheap stuff we can get because we're on a pretty tight budget, so we'll make some good budget-friendly stuff. And I got some beds up in the front that I planted a couple things, and I'll go over there and show you that right now. So I want to just do a little quick walkthrough. This is what the backyard space looks like. And that's our dog Harper. We got a gate right there next to the AC unit. So it kind of loops around, and then this side's real shady. We got the bedroom window. So we want to do a flower box right here. So it does get a little light, but again, not a ton. Alright, so this is the flower bed on the front side of the house. It faces south, so this is the full sun flower bed. We have two red yuccas that they had installed in here. They had a couple barberry bushes that I ripped out like right after we moved here because I really don't like barberry bushes for their thorns. But we have a couple violas. I got some real cheap snapdragons that were on sale. And then some pansies. We got some pretty cool stock flowers I found at a nursery. So I got 3 of those. The stuff, most of it should be able to overwinter. And the only stuff I'm worried about is the stock flowers and snapdragons. Sometimes we can get a little too cold for them, but we can always just cover them in a blanket if it, drops below like 20 or 15. That's the front. We still have our 2 pots from our old place. We got some bee balm in this one, some living verbena, some coral berries, and a little wisteria start in there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the wisteria for now, but yeah, that's what it looks like from here. I think we'll get some more pots. We got some of our fall stuff up here. I think for sure we'll get some more pots in the spring. Line up this whole, I'm thinking we can line up that whole back part with some, like a big pot, and then maybe a couple more back here and make a really nice summer arrangement. Oh, and I also have some crocuses and some allium bulbs I got pretty cheap at Walmart. So we'll see if those pop up in the spring, but that's what it looks like, and hopefully we'll have some more fun stuff that we can plan out here in the next couple episodes and get going in the spring. So it should be a lot of fun. I'm looking really forward to it. Alright, so I'm just back inside. I showed y'all the backyard and the front yard. I'm pretty excited for our new place. Pretty excited to be here. So it's going to be really fun. We got a lot of fun stuff planned. So we'll go over some of that in a future episode. So I just want to give y'all a little update in this one. I mentioned before, I was starting to get to a point since we were living in apartments where I'm like, I can't really do a whole lot without, physically showing you how to apply the principles of landscape design and all the good stuff. So we're really excited to do that here. Show you some budget-friendly options we can do for flowers. And I'm pretty excited to try out some vegetables. Even though I'm a horticulturalist, I haven't done a whole lot on the vegetable and herb side, so I'm really excited to try that out. Do some more research on what I can do, and yeah, should be really fun. If you have any suggestions on what I should do in a couple flower beds, I think we have enough room probably for, I mean, I'm probably thinking 4 flower containers in the backyard. 1 for flowers, 3 for garden stuff. So if you have any recommendations on what we should do, I'm happy to read them in the comments. Or any ideas for flowers. I'm super excited to read what you got for, part shade as well as for full sun, for the front one. So let me know your suggestions, and we'll dive into some really fun designing episodes here in a little bit and kind of show you the progress through setting those up. So thank you so much for watching today here on Garden Theory.